Alright guys, as you can tell we have different color shingles. That doesn't matter right here. Either way, with repairability, we're just here just to see what we got, and if in fact insurance company says, hey guys, listen, you did what you could, but we're still only going to award this and that, they'll give us the proper shingles for it, and we'll make sure that it matches, of course. Okay. But as you can tell, everything, this is a compounding issue. Everything, I only went to pull up this row, and we ended up with more rows around, and everything's coming up, and that's exactly what we're looking for when we go back for our clients. Okay, so we want to make sure that everything is going the right way. Good God, hold on, I'm getting stuck. So I can get everything lined back up here. Just goes in the same spot, guys. That we get this thing nailed down nice and properly, ensure that this shingle isn't going to go anywhere. Okay, and then once we put that other shingle up above it, it will then seal itself. Go one more and we're good to go. Yep. All right, now we're going to put the second shingle in.
Here you have that one. You got to hold that one first.
There we go. Right, now the next shingle. Last one. Get our sides in real quick, make sure that this booger don't go anywhere. All right, so that's the repairability test. That concludes everything that we need to do here. Check back next with us on the next project. Thank you guys.